Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about setting up Django environment. To start, download and install Python version 3.6 or a more recent release. Next, set up pip, the Python package installer. Finally, install virtualenv, a tool for establishing separate Python environments. This step-by-step process equips you with the necessary foundation for managing Python packages and creating isolated working environments. For instance, imagine needing to work on multiple Python projects with different dependencies. Utilizing virtualenv allows you to segregate each project's requirements, preventing conflicts and ensuring smooth development. To create a new virtual environment, you first use the command virtualenv, followed by the desired environment name. For example, executing virtualenv myenv will create an environment named myenv. After creating the environment, you need to activate it to utilize it. On Windows, you activate the environment by executing myenv scripts activate. Conversely, for macOS and Linux systems, you would activate it using the command source/bin/activate. For instance, in a scenario where you need to work on a Python project that requires specific dependencies that might conflict with your existing Python environment, you can create a new virtual environment, activate it, and install the necessary dependencies within the isolated environment to avoid conflicts and effectively manage the project's requirements. To install Django in a virtual environment using pip, you can run the command pip install Django. This command will download and install the Django web framework within the virtual environment. Utilizing a virtual environment ensures that dependencies and packages for different projects remain isolated. For instance, you can maintain separate versions of Django for various projects without conflicts. To begin a new Django project, use the command Django admin start project myproject to create a new project named myproject. After that, navigate into the project directory by using cd myproject. For example, this allows you to efficiently organize and manage your Django project files and functionalities. To begin developing a Django project, one must start the Django development server by executing the command python manage.py run server. This command launches the server, allowing the Django project to run locally. Subsequently, opening a web browser and navigating to 127.01.18000 enables viewing the Django welcome page on the browser. This action grants immediate access to the initial interface of the Django project being developed and gives a starting point for further exploration and customization. To create a new Django app, you can run the command python manage.py startapp myapp. This will generate a new app structure with the name myapp. Next, in the views.py file of your app, define a simple view that returns hello world using the code snippet provided. Import HTTP response from django.html, then define a function named home that takes request as a parameter and returns an HTTP response object with hello world as the content. To map this view to a URL, you need to configure a URL pattern in the urls.py file of your app. You can use Django's URL conf to do this. For example, if you want the home view to be accessible at the URL yourdomain.com/myapp/, you can add a path in the urls.py file that includes the path to home view using the path function. For instance, Python from Django.urls import path from, import views, URL patterns, path home/views.home, name its home. This configuration inside the urls.py file will route the URL /myapp/home/ to the home view, thereby displaying hello world when accessed through the browser. Setting up a Django environment is like setting up a kitchen for cooking. Just like in a kitchen, you need to gather all the necessary ingredients and tools before you can start cooking a meal. In a Django environment, you need to install Python, Django, and other relevant packages before you can start building a web application. Similarly, just as you need to organize your kitchen and arrange your ingredients in a logical manner for easy access, you need to configure your Django project structure and settings properly for efficient development. Lastly, just as you follow a recipe step by step to cook a delicious meal, you need to follow the Django documentation and best practices to build a successful web application. Hey Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights. The provided Python code outlines the steps required to set up a Django environment, drawing an analogy to setting up a kitchen for cooking. The Setup Django environment function serves as the main control function, orchestrating the entire setup process. It mimics the process of preparing a kitchen by first gathering all necessary ingredients and tools through the install Python, install Django, and install other packages functions. These functions handle the installation of Python, Django, and other required packages respectively. Next, the code moves on to organizing the Django project structure and settings with the configure project structure and configure settings functions. These steps can be likened to structuring the kitchen and setting up the cooking equipment and utensils. Finally, the process involves following the recipe, which in this case means adhering to Django documentation and best practices. The follow documentation function guides the implementation of best practices as per Django guidelines. Overall, by executing the Setup Django environment function, users can streamline the setup of their Django environment, preparing it for web development activities in a systematic and organized manner. Setting up a Django environment is crucial for developing web applications efficiently. Let's explore two real-world examples where setting up a Django environment plays a key role. 1. E-commerce platform. Suppose a company wants to build an e-commerce platform where users can buy and sell products online. Setting up a Django environment is essential for this project. By following the steps outlined in the setup process, developers can ensure they have all the necessary tools and packages installed to start building the platform. Configuring the project structure and settings in Django will help in organizing the codebase effectively. Following Django documentation and best practices will ensure the platform is built robustly and securely. 2. Content Management System, CMS. Consider a media company looking to develop a content management system to publish articles, videos, and images online. Setting up a Django environment will be the first step in this project. Installing Python, Django, and other relevant packages is essential to ensure the CMS functions smoothly. Configuring the project structure and settings in Django will help in managing and displaying different types of content effectively. Following Django documentation and best practices will ensure the CMS is scalable, customizable, and user-friendly. In both examples, setting up a Django environment is akin to preparing a kitchen for cooking. It lays the foundation for developers to create web applications efficiently and effectively. Across the globe, businesses and organizations rely on Django environments to build robust and scalable web solutions. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.